Welcome. This is Jim, Sawlogs Plastic Hubs, and welcome to Slop in the Shop. Just to give you a quick update what Slop in the Shop is, other creators had different videos, this and that, or purchases, or all this kind of stuff, or mail calls, or whatever you want to call it. My case is Slop in the Shop. It's based on the way old Southern families used to keep a pig. They throwed all their scraps in a bucket, called it pig slop. So you'll be able to see anything in this video, from a project being worked on, to purchases, to just whatever I throw in it. It's sort of like a video blog. With that being said, enjoy. We're here in Tom's shop, and Tom, he's done had a problem on us here. Tell us what your problem is.
Well, I've got this machine sickness. So does anybody know a good doctor? But anyways, I am going to upgrade. I just purchased a 16-inch shaper, so I'm going to make room. And I'm going to offer up my Atlas 7-inch shaper. And I'd like to go to a good home. This is a 1939 model. It has the scarce original cast iron legs. It has the original vise, the original guards, and also I have got tooling to go with it, and it's got the original handles. So it's going
all the original wrenches and everything.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
So
yeah, we'll go around here to the other side of it. I mean, this thing's clean. You bought it off of what was it? The last owner was like a Navy chief or something, wasn't it?
Yes, he was a senior chief.
Mm-hmm.
And he had it for a while.
And a nice little machine. If I had space, I'd be talking to him, but unfortunately, you know, when I have to put my saw on a rolling stand, I get it out the corner.
So here's the tooling that'll go with it also, if you can see some of the tooling.
Yeah, he's got it down here in a box, and he's got another box with some tools, and he's actually got a note with the belt sizes and everything like that.
Yep.
You can't see it with my GoPro, but he's got a note with the belts, the belt lengths, the sizes, the numbers. So if you need a belt and can't make the number out, is that other box? Is that other two boxes stout, or is some of your stuff?
This has got high-speed steel in it, and a bunch of high-speed blanks will go with it.
Mm-hmm. And then that other plastic box is something you stored there, I guess.
It's just empty.
Yeah, incidental.
Fire it up too.
Oh, we're gonna hit it. He's gonna get it started for us. Yeah, I might go. I'll probably go home and we'll create a video, maybe next day or two. I get some time. So he's going to start the shaper up for us here and get her ready to go.
Power.
Now you get to see his back there.
It's clear.
Yeah. That's where it runs. Runs really good.
Power feed for the table works.
Well, the wrench falls to the floor. Yeah, that's a really nice little old unit. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put Tom's email on the screen and in the description of this. So anybody's interested in that, Mr. Tom down here at Hilltop says he'd like to send this thing into a new little home. And I'm going to tell you, it's a nice little machine. It's like everything else when you have stuff like this. It's got its limitations, but for a home shop guy who wants a shaper to play around with, it's just really a neat little machine to have. Like I said, if I had the space, I'd almost get it just because I'm fascinated with them. But my shop is so full, I can't even stir around in it good some days. So.
And the YouTuber special is going to be for $1,000.
$1,000 for the machine?
Yep.
Okay, so you hear that. You have to come down here and pick it up at his place.
Either that or I will ship it on your dime. Just we can talk through email. Obviously, we'll arrange that prior.
Crate it up.
Crate it up and ship it to you.
Yeah, when it gets this big one, I'm going to be, I done opened my big trap to volunteer to help move it, but he's still in arrangement to getting it here, so it'll be several weeks. So hopefully it'll get here before I have a little obligation with Uncle Sam, so we'll see. So, like I say, Tom, run that back over you again. He's wanting. Go ahead and refresh him. Say YouTube specials. What, Tom?
YouTube special is going to be $1,000 for you guys viewers. It's going to be more if I sell it on eBay. So I'll give you guys first shot at it. I like to have it go to a good home, and I'll be glad to answer any questions. But like I said, it's a 1939 model. You know, they first came out in 1938, so this is a early shaper. Serial number 1202. The research that I did on it, we think that it was made in the fall of 1939. But like I said, it came with the original scarce cast iron legs, and you know, it's got the original belt guards, the original vise, the original wrenches. Even says Atlas on them.
Mm-hmm.
So it'll be a good package to somebody that's interested in it.
Yeah, well, like I say, just get a hold of them. I'll put the message out there for Tom, and hopefully you guys will. I'll try to get this. This is a Wednesday, and so I got something. I'll try to do this in the morning, maybe, and I'll try to get it up by Thursday, because usually I get home, I won't have time. Something else got to keep the madam happy, and I get home. But we'll get this up. Okay, so Tom, appreciate it. Like I say, if one of my viewers wants this thing, just contact Tom. I'll have the email spread all over this video.
Thanks, guys. See you.
Yep. Welcome, and I'm glad you enjoyed Slop in the Shop. This is a copyrighted production of James Dedman, Sawlogs Plastic Hubs, for your enjoyment on YouTube. I hope you enjoyed Slop in the Shop today, and we will look forward to seeing you on the very next video.